Compound interest, the eighth wonder of the world, as some would say. Imagine a tree that not only grows fruit, but also more branches that grow even more fruit, and so on. That's the magic of compound interest. It's the concept of earning interest on your initial investment, and then earning interest on that interest. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, getting bigger and bigger with each turn. Let's say you invest $1,000 with a 5% annual interest rate. The first year, you earn $50 in interest. The second year, you earn interest on the original $1,000 and the $50 you earned, and so on. Over time, this compounding effect can lead to significant growth in your wealth. It's like having your money work for you, even while you sleep. So whether you're saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or simply growing your nest egg, harnessing the power of compound interest can make a world of difference. This is the Way of Gentlemen, reminding you that understanding your finances is a key step towards achieving your goals and living a fulfilling life.